Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the command prompt with the PowerShell option in the start menu on Windows 10. So if you ever happen to right click on the start button, you notice there's an option for Windows PowerShell. However, if you want to go back and forth between command prompt and then you want to instead say PowerShell or vice versa, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in settings, best match to go back with settings right above app, go ahead and left click on that, select the personalization tile, and then select taskbar on the left side. Where it says replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right click on the start button or press the Windows key and X combination. This is currently toggled in the on position. If I were to turn it off, if I now right click on the start button, there's now a command prompt option. So turning it on and then we right click makes it Windows PowerShell. If we turned it off, it would now say command prompt. So pretty straightforward process here guys. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.